Hey, thanks for tuning in. Really do appreciate you checking out the video. Me and my buddy go hiking this Father Dyer Peak, and then we actually go check out the lake right below it and do a little trout fishing. Fun hike, 13er, so we get up there in elevation pretty good. And as you can see, we're actually really close to Breckenridge here, all the ski runs, so it's not too far from Denver and just kind of, I-70 in general. Without any further ado, let's get hiking. All right, welcome back to another video. Do a little hike, a little fishing today. Check out some alpine country. Let's freaking go. We're gone up there. Drove all the way up here. Give them props. We're about to ditch our fishing gear, go up that way. The lake right there. Beautiful views. Went up that way. Almost to the top. There's the summit right there down the ridge. Beautiful up here. This is actually upper Crystal Lake, so higher alpine lake that most likely doesn't have any fish though. Super pretty. We made it. Shout out to Father Dyer. Wow, beautiful. We got this little lake hidden there. Lake's hidden over here. Another one way up there. Down, follow that ridge down, work our way down back to the lake, or catch some fish hopefully. Jared wants to go the gnarliest way, so ridgeline proper, baby. I'm gonna keep dancing at the Pink Pony Club. are making our way. Came from up there and got down there to go into the lake. Look at all the aspens, it's beautiful up here. Alright, there's the lake right over there. We're coming down this last steep section. There's Jared. Alright, got my gear. See if Jared still has his gear, and he does. Yay! Heck yeah. Yeah, those dots. That's a decent sized little fish. Oh, very good. Get skunked. That's awesome. I was literally trying to cast to the left of me and my bait was ending up to the right of like you. One more. Last cast. Alright. Not my day. But that's okay.